I'm presenting Horizon in dive shows like this. But there's a slight twist on how I present the Horizon. You will find out later why I said it's an advanced technology for recreational diving. Okay, so just a quick introduction about myself. I'm an SSI instructor certifier, and I am an instructor trainer teaching most or all of the programs from recreational diving, all the way from entry level, all the way to leadership levels. I do also teach swimming programs, which we have under SSI, and we also have the lifeguard program. And my current love and focus now is into technical diving. So I'm teaching a lot of extended range courses, technical extended range, REX, and cavern courses. Likewise, of course, I'm an instructor for semi-closed rebreather using the Horizon. And we do extended range and SCR diver program for this. And I am a CCR diver using the unit JJ CCR. And I'm an advanced freediver and a basic freediving instructor from SSI. I currently have 19 years of experience in the diving industry, ranging from resort operations, liveaboard, retail, and we do a bit of commercial diving operations. And whatever free time I get, I do volunteer as a firefighter and an emergency medical technician. So for today's presentation, we're going to talk about the Mares Horizon again. For those of you who don't know the unit, I'll introduce to you the unit, and then I'll give a brief of a history about the development of the unit. And then we'll discuss a little bit how the machine works, the advantages that you can gain diving with an SCR unit, and the type of divers who would fall in love with the unit. And of course, we'll also tackle the advantages for weekend warriors. Like here in Metro Manila, we typically dive during the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, how the Horizon unit can change the way we dive. And of course, I want to give you a bit of an idea about our concept of Mares XR centers and how to start your journey diving the Horizon. And at the end, if we have time, we'll do a bit of Q&A and summary. If not, I'll just be around. You can approach me and ask more questions. So, Mares Horizon is the younger brother of Revo CCR. So, Revo CCR is under our big family. Our main company is Head, and under Head is Mares, SSI, a couple more other areas, and then Revo. With that, using the Revo technology, Mares came up with the unit, which is a semi-closed rebreather, which is the Horizon. So allow me to share a video about the Horizon.
Would you like something less complicated? Horizon is perfect simplicity. Can you seek relief from the noise? Immerse yourself in silence. Do you feel like you're just an observer? Horizon allows you to be a player. And would you like to breathe more comfortably? Horizon is natural and effortless. Is your dive time limited by equipment? Horizon allows you to stay longer. Are you ready for a new experience? Horizon is a new dimension in diving. Extend your horizon.
Okay? So that's the Horizon. So a bit of history into the product. So it was launched last 2019 before everyone was shut down. All of us has experienced that. And it's because of our mother company Head and collaboration with Mares, SSI, and Revo Rebreeders. We were able to come up with this product since Mares launched their extended range line. Okay, so how the machine works. So it's very basic for those of you who are CCR divers or who have tried diving with rebreeders. The basic concept is for an open circuit diver, which most of us are, when you breathe in through your regulator, right, through your second stage, when you exhale, the gas that you're exhaling, it's the bubbles that we're producing. This is now being put back into the system. So first, there is extraction. So of course, the gas that we're exhaling contains carbon dioxide. So we have scrubbers to take it out of the system. And then we need to add breathable gas. One of the advantages of Horizon, it's not that complicated. It operates on nitrox, which is readily available everywhere. So it injects nitrox or fresh gas for you to breathe, and it puts it on storage on a counter lang, and then recirculates everything. So that's how a basic rebreather works. How the machine works, so a while ago, in the beginning, I presented Horizon as an advanced technology, but for recreational divers. In the beginning, it took me a while to grasp this concept because I'm the type of person who likes to go deep. And definitely, I still want to go on deep dives. But for those of you seated here, think about this. Horizon is not there to compete with CCR units because the CCR or closed circuit rebreathers have a different target market. Horizon is for the everyday recreational diver who wants a new experience, and the price is competitive, right? And then if you think in your whole career or lifetime as a diver, how many times you will go 40 meters and deeper? Probably for us, we want to do a lot. But most of our dives, we're doing 40 meters and shallower. So that's what the unit is for. And it has uncomplicated dive controllers, easy to control, easy to manipulate, and it is also very user-friendly, and it's very straightforward operation. And of course, it has less maintenance costs compared to CCR. Okay, so some of the advantages of the unit is number one, definitely you can extend your dive time. I'll talk about this more in a while, but of course it depends on the cylinders that you're going to carry. And it is also lightweight, very easy to travel, and it is as easy as getting your nitrox course, right? Who among you are nitrox divers? Enrich Air Nitrox Diver certified, so all of you are already qualified to jump in and get into the program. And it creates a natural diving position because of the design of where the cylinders are located or the configuration. It gives you a natural trim as you've seen in the video. And it has a lot of fail-safe gas operation. So there's lots of backup put into it. And it's very easy to assemble and repair. It's ready for us advanced divers to use. Intuitive interface, and you would be, it is CE approved for nitrox mixes from 30% all the way to 99. Plus, yes, it has a maximum depth of 40 meters. Which again, before this presentation, I was looking at it as a limitation of the unit. But the more I dive the unit, the more I feel that if you're the type of person who is not thinking of going 40 meters and deeper, but want to gain the advantage and experience how to use a rebreather, then this is the unit for you. Okay, so divers who would fall in love with the unit definitely would be underwater photographers. Who are underwater photographers in the crowd? A lot of people have contacted me already, and some of you who are here, you can reach out. It's very easy. We have a Try SCR program, so you can check out the unit first for yourself, test it, and see if it would help impact the shots that you create or your intended shots that you want to do, if the unit would help you out. And of course, for ladies who would want to stay longer, spend some time at depth, but is having trouble or do not wish to carry heavy twin tanks on their back, or is not, or who doesn't want to use side mount configuration. So this is another option for you that you can do. And divers who love the technical challenge, and of course, those divers who have high SAC rates. I won't ask you to raise your hand, don't worry. So divers who have high SAC rates, you will definitely get a big advantage using the unit. And divers who are safety conscious, who would want to have a backup after backup after backup when you're underwater. And those who are just generally looking for a new experience. So for those of you who have been diving for a while, maybe several dives under your belt, you think that you've done everything and you're looking for something new to do, then we invite you to try this product, to try this unit, and maybe it would change or rekindle the fire of diving in you. Okay, so for the weekend warriors, we were talking a while ago. So typically, most of us stay overnight, or some of us, because Anilao is quite close, or Puerto Galera, we drive to Anilao, we do our dives, and when we come back. So normally, you do 2 to 3 dives, maybe averaging 50 minutes each, a total of 150 minutes, right? But each time you're coming out of the water, you have to change cylinders, you may want to get out of your suit, have a break, and sometimes for me, the tiring part is being out of the water, setting up again, and getting back. But think about this. If you're on the horizon, you set up the unit before driving to Anilao. When you get to the destination, you analyze your cylinders, you attach it to the unit, you do your pre-jump checks, you get in the water, you stay there for 150 minutes straight, no problem. Same as 3 dives equivalent, especially if you are on a DPV. Imagine the range that you can do, and come up, rinse, and back up. So your day is done, right? So this is one of the concepts that we're trying to promote. So if you're a dive center, please reach out to us at Aquaventure, have a chat, because the concept that we have in mind is to have Mares XR centers. We'll have Silver Reef in Darwin. They will have 4 units of Horizon soon. And we have someone in Anilao. We're talking with them, interested to acquire some units also. Because the whole idea is, if you're a Mares XR center, the divers who would train using the unit doesn't need to invest on it right away, because they can travel and go to your center and just rent the unit and use it. So that's one of the concepts that we're trying to promote, until such time that they want to invest on their own, which is really nice because you can customize and reconfigure the unit to your liking as well. So if you are a center who are interested with this concept, currently we have Dumaguete and Anilao is on the way. We're talking about it. We're looking for other destinations. Please feel free to reach out. Sorry. The booth of Aquaventure White is at B93. So feel free to look for Wolf, CK, or myself, and we'll gladly discuss this with you. So for individual divers, I know this is not a common concept in the recreational industry because we're promoting body teams, right? But for those who are, I know there's quite a few who like to do independent diving, solo diving, or some other agency call it self-reliant diving also. Most especially photographers, if you're just staying 12 meters and shallower, just staying in one area and taking photo, Horizon is a totally redundant system that you may want to consider. And it's something different when you experience this. Yeah, and good configuration to have is, if you do not intend to stay long, is you just need 6-liter or 5.5 cylinders, 2 of them, and then you're good to go. If you're doing typical recreational dive, no deco dive, and of course not by yourself, it can also work with just one 6-liter or 5.5. But of course, if you want to extend the range and stay longer, you have to be on 12 liters or 11-liter cylinders. Okay, so Horizon SCR diving. So this is Sunny. So Sunny is a long-time diver, not a professional yet, several dives under her belt, which did the Tri Horizon with us. So you can see we just put one 6-liter tank on her, very light, very easy. And of course, since it's just trial, the trim, there's a lot to improve on that. But she's already there, on trim, rebreathing, and spending time. So it's very easy to familiarize yourself with the unit. So currently, we offer certification programs for the Horizon under SSI. So one of which is the Tri SCR diving. So if you're in doubt or you just want to find out more about the unit, get in touch with me or CK, and then we have a unit there. You can see the unit up close and personal. We'll open it up. You can take a look what is inside. And if you would want to dive the unit, we just set a schedule together, and then you'll be able to try the Horizon. And of course, we have 2 levels. One is SCR diving, within no decompression limit, 30 meters, 1 cylinder. And SCR extended range, 2 cylinders, accelerated deco, 40 meters. And depends on your consumption and your dive plan, you can do decompression dives with this. To be honest, we haven't tried this, but soon we're going to dive the unit together with CCR units and divers that we know that dive with our group. And I think if it's 40 meters and shallower, the Horizon can match the range of most of the CCR units. Watch out on the next presentations, because we'll be doing more dives like this. And just to show you that if you just want to get the benefits of rebreathers but has no intentions of going deep and want to keep it simple and safe, then Horizon is the unit for you. Okay, so if you want to find out more about what I'm talking here, you can just simply go on your phone, go on to your Google app or on your iPhone, and then find SSI. And then the Tri SCR program is for free. So if you want to read more detail and a bit dig deeper into the technical specifications of what I'm talking about, it will give you a more general preview. If you are having a hard time getting into the system, you can talk to me or talk to George. It's there. And then we'll gladly help you get into the system and start reading more about the unit. Okay, these are just some of the videos. So this is George on the Horizon. This is one of our dives in Cebu, in the Nahon Caves, I believe, with Jeremy. This was already on our last deco stop. Okay, and then this is a video of having a deco I did a regular dive. I think this is with one of my students who was on a side mount configuration. So with Horizon, you carry lighter load, but you're diving with the person who is on side mount with an extra stage cylinder, or someone with back mount doubles and extra stage cylinder. And when we came up, of course, I have more gas than him. And yeah. So these are the gases. This is a training video, so the trim is better now when you see this diver. So he's using 3 12-liter tanks, and I'm just using 2 5.5s. Okay, and this is me just having fun for those of you who do Boracay, anyone who do Boracay, if you're familiar with this wreck, where it is located. Okay, Boracay divers, or those who have visited Boracay, maybe you know this wreck that we know. Okay, and this is my recent class of Horizon students. We're just simply having fun underwater. So it's for everyone. So it's a for recreational divers, but it is definitely an advanced technology that you can use. So Anilao divers know where this site is for sure. Okay, last video. Okay, so I just showed a lot of videos so you can have more or less an idea. Maybe you can imagine yourself diving the unit already. For tomorrow, we have another presentation still here on the main stage. I'm going to share the stage with Mr. Darren Hepner. We're going to present another product. It's the Ocean Reef Integrated Dive Mask. So if you are here, you're around, please come back and listen to this seminar. And then with that, I would like to thank the organizers of DRT 2024, together with all the staff for organizing this event again for the diving community, and to Mr. Jason Chong of DRT, to Aquaventure White-Tip Dive Supply, which is now the dealer of Marias, Mr. Wolf, Lambsdorff, and CK, and of course my team and family at Scuba Academy Manila, SSI, and to my son Dax, who is there, and to my wife Tony. Okay, so if there's any question with regards Horizon or SSI, I'll be around and I'll be leaving my contact details here. You can come to us at the Aquaventure White-Tip booth. And yes, thank you everyone. But stay where you are. Don't leave because the next topic would be presented by Miss Marichu Maki Macron, one of the few female Naui dive instructors, and she's going to present the topic about the women of Naui diving into leadership and legacy. So please stay here and watch out for that presentation. Thank you.